When experiencing Ōtairongo, the best way to really connect with the work is to be in a darkened space. What I'm aiming to do is to have the listener or the audience really just switch off visually from the world, to turn off your phones, to be in a darkened space where you are engaging with your oral senses.
I am every day inspired by a lot of people, but it's my own children and my mokopuna now that are growing up. So yeah, I have to say I can't be solitary, I can't be selfish. I have to give my time and energy and love and the spirit and everything to my children and grandchildren. I can't deny myself.
It really takes that time to open your mind, open your ears, and to listen deeply and mindfully to what's happening within the portraits. That really is part of the unseen world, and it is what I hope that people will have the chance to embody.
The thing is that I learned growing up is that when I left my house, I left with strength. So I suppose that's why people always say you mince. Like, I do mince, but I feel like that's part of my protection, my coping mechanism. So I walk with assertiveness, I walk with intent, I leave my house and I'm on, and I'm not on in a performative way, I mean on as in like, you never know what's behind you.